Back locally now, Spanish Town Primary will now turn their attention to the InSports Devon Biscuit Primary Schools Championships finals after dethroning the Central Region champions at Nagahead, who are also the national champions. Spanish Town Primary Principal Roger Curlew says after losing the title last year at the Central Regional Championship, they strategized differently this time around. The team walked away with $350,000 after winning their second title in 3 years, amassing 355.5 points.
One of the things that we did from the last competition is to do some analysis, and we realized that when we are part of every event, when we field athletes in all the events, we are at a good advantage. And so we entered every event, every competition we entered. Through Coach Barrett, the track team members were trained every weekend. So it's hard work and strategy we use this year to reclaim the victory.
Coach Naria Barrett will now prepare the team for nationals set to get underway in the next 3 weeks. But in the meantime, he's allowing them to celebrate their success.
Yeah, man, we are very pleased with the performance and the placings.
Nagahead took home $250,000, finishing as runners-up on 314.5 points. Head coach Ezron Green says his charges gradually got into the championship, but they lost a bit of ground on day 2, as Spanish Town captured 6 of the 8 sprint relay finals.
I thought that the first 2 days were unfortunate. Today, the boys and girls came out and they did well, and I'm proud of them.
He admits defending their title at the national championships won't be easy.
National seems very challenging. Seems like we have worthy opponents such as Spanish Town, License, and other schools in the Eastern, Carnalies and the West. So I think it will be a close championship this year.
Former champions Greater Portmore once again finished 3rd with 176 points and received $200,000. Coach Oral Wilby was pleased with the performance of his squad as he rebuilds.
We came into the championship not knowing where we would end up, because as I said before, we are a team in transition, a very young team, very small team as well. If you notice that we did not contest a number of events. We didn't contest like the hurdles, the jumps, and so on. So with that said, we're very grateful for the 3rd place finish. I mean, it's testament to the work that athletes have put in over the last 3 days.
And as for the national championships?
Put some things in place, see if we can maintain this 3rd place, because we know that teams will be coming from all over the country, and we just have to be on our best.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange was on hand, and she's lauding the young athletes.
And I'm telling you, I'm so impressed with the talent that we see out there. I'm really looking forward to the finals in the National Stadium.
The Central teams will now await the top teams from the Western Championship, which starts today at Stets, as well as the best from the Eastern Championship, which takes place at the Stadium East from May 14 to 16. The National Championships will take place at the National Stadium from May 29 to 31. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.